everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, for this DIY I am starting off with a basic long sleeve shirt that is nice and snug. In addition to the shirt, I am using fabric scissors, thin black elastic, a needle and thread, stitch witchery, elastic black cord, and an iron. For more information on any of these items, just scroll on down to that description box. And let's get started. First, I am flipping the shirt inside out, and then cutting a straight vertical line right up the center of the back of the shirt. Once that's done, I am shifting to my ironing board and I'm going to reinforce those cut edges with stitch witchery. I'm tearing a piece of stitch witchery that is the length of the shirt, lining it up with the edge, and folding that material over about 3 or so inches. Then I'm just ironing it to activate that adhesive. This double layer is going to help later on when we add the loops for the lace up, and is going to create more space in the back so you can see a little skin. And once that's done, I'm doing the same exact thing to the other cut side. Remember that this is inside out, so you're folding it toward the inside, so this folded part is going to be against your back and it won't be visible when you put it on. Alright, now both of those back cut edges are reinforced, nice and crisp. I flipped the shirt back to the right side, and it's time to add the loops so we can string this bad boy up. So using that thin elastic, we're going to create a little loop, cut off the excess elastic, and that's it. We're going to sew it right onto the edge. Starting at the top, I am placing that little elastic loop on the interior of the edge, and then using my needle and thread to attach it to the shirt. And that's it. A bit time consuming, but very, very simple. Now I'm doing the same exact thing to the other side. And the first 2 loops are complete. In total, I ended up adding 6 loops on each side. Once I added all the loops, I thought about it and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make this thing a crop top. So I used my fabric scissors to cut off the bottom portion of the top, just about a ½ inch underneath those bottom loops. And now it's time to lace it up. I'm taking the elastic cord, I'm starting from the bottom right loop, lacing up to the second loop on the left, and continuing that zigzag pattern all the way up, across, and then back down. Now you can choose to use ribbon or another type of string, but I love this elastic cord because you get that stretch. Tying a little bow at the bottom, and that's it, guys. I'm already loving these vibes. It was a simple change but made such a big difference. I gotta go try it on. Let's go. That's it, just a few materials and you've completely given the shirt a new look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for supporting my videos. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think about this top, and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.